In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in Outlook email. If you need to send a file like a PDF, Word document, spreadsheet, or another saved item from your computer, Outlook makes the process simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it in a clear, easy way so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open Outlook and go to the Mail section. This is the main area where you can view your inbox, create messages, and manage your email. If Outlook opens somewhere else, just switch over to Mail before moving on. Once you're in Mail, click on New. This opens the menu for creating something new in Outlook. From there, click on Mail to start a brand new email message. A compose window will appear, and this is where you'll prepare your message and add your document. At the top of the email window, click on Insert. This tab gives you options for adding extra items to your message, including files. After you open Insert, click on Attach File. This tells Outlook that you want to include a document with the email instead of just typing text into the message body. Next, choose Browse this computer. This option is useful when the file you want to send is saved locally on your device. After clicking it, a file browser window will open, allowing you to look through your folders and documents. Now, choose the document from your computer. Navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Click on the file you want to attach and confirm your selection. Once selected, the file will be added to your email. In most cases, you'll see the file name appear in the message, which lets you know the attachment has been included successfully. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly check that you attach the correct file. If you're sending an important document, make sure it's the final version and not an older draft. This small check can save time and prevent follow-up emails. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document in Outlook email. After that, you can finish writing your message, add your recipient and subject line in, and send it when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident using attachments in Outlook.